Okay, good. Shit. Welcome back to my little corner of the internet because I'm legit in the corner and I'm on the internet. Gotcha. Oh. Anyways, so today I was at the store. I was at Target to be exact. I saw a pumpkin and I thought it'd be fun to carve a pumpkin. No. My neighbors probably really hate me, like my downstairs neighbors, because it is like 1 in the morning that I'm filming this because I have nothing else to do and I am very bored. And I was gonna film this tomorrow, but I want to do it now because I really want to carve this pumpkin. And I guess you can consider this a tutorial. And I've been doing a lot of BuzzFeed quizzes lately, so I thought I would also at the same time, you know, fill out the top BuzzFeed quizzes. Let's just get into this, let's get it. So we have our pumpkin. That's not right. Alright, there we go. That was weird. I don't know where that came from. Wow, that's a giant ass pumpkin. Anyway, so we're gonna continue. Alright, let's just continue. Alright, I bought this little pumpkin carving kit. It was this. Comes with some sharp weapons, so you know, safety first. Oh, that's all I have to do. Wait, the fuck? How the fuck you do this? Wait, am I gonna need tape and scissors? I thought they were gonna be like pre-cutouts, but apparently I gotta cut them out. I'm upset. Ooh, that one's cute. You know what, we're gonna do two. We're gonna do one with it and one without. So apparently I gotta cut this out. Cut this shit out. I got time for this. You know what? I'm giving up on this because I ain't got time to cut this, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna do the next best thing, which is get a pen, and we just draw ourselves a face. I got recommended a new BuzzFeed quiz. So apparently there's this BuzzFeed where it says choose 9 popular movies and we'll tell you which decade you belong in. I'm really excited. What the fuck? Okay, so first we get out our tools. We organize our tools. So according to, well that makes way more sense. Huh. So apparently, all you have to do is wet it, and then you just put it on and you cut it on. Why is this not on the front page? The fuck? Oh. It is. I just cut it out. Anyways, you know what? We're gonna draw mine first, which is, we'll do this on the back. Oh my god. This pumpkin's fucking heavy. Pumpkin's heavy. So, we're just gonna draw some eyes. I'm gonna draw an eye here. Uh-oh. I don't think they're even. One's bigger than, you know what? We're going with it. He still looks good. Should we do a circle nose or a triangle nose? No, we're gonna do a square because you know what? We're different. And then I was thinking for a mouth, I want him to look surprised. So I was just thinking of a giant circle. So apparently the first thing we need to do is do our BuzzFeed. So, according to this BuzzFeed thing, it says, pick a comedy. So we have Coming to America, Bridesmaid, Step Brothers, and Girls Trip. I feel like I have to say Step Brothers. So now I pick a musical. We'll come to that later. So anyways, next is we cut open, wait, what? I have to cut out the bottom? That sounds weird and stupid. I don't like how they're doing that, so we're just gonna cut the top. So do I just cut a circle, or do I... Oh. Wow. I feel like I just murdered someone. Oh my god. This hurts my arm already. Ow. Ow. I squished my hand. Ow. Let's go to the BuzzFeed question. Let's take a 10-minute break. Alright, so now pick a musical. So we have West Side Story, Chicago, Dreamgirls, and Grease. So I've only seen 3 of those movies. I never saw Chicago. If anyone's seen Chicago, let me know. Is it good? I gotta say West Side Story because that was like one of the first musicals I've ever seen, and it was amazing. I was really confused. There was like this, I doubt you can see it, but there's like an ad, and it said, Sarah Bareilles is coming to a city near you, get your tickets before they're gone. And I was like, what kind of question is this? Like, how do I answer this? Do I buy tickets? Is that how I answer? Next we have, how about a flick from the 90s? Oh my god, they have Xenon Girl of the 21st Century. We're choosing that. Because it's zoom, 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 you make my heart go boom, boom, boom. Oh my god, they have the song. Let's go. Zoom. Heart go boom, boom, boom. Zoom. Make heart go boom, boom, boom. Bonova girl. Zetas Lapidus. Zeta Lapidus. Oh my god, I almost just stabbed myself. Does this even work? Oh my god. I just realized this doesn't line up. I don't think you can see it, but literally my circle went like this, but this line goes this way. I had one job. Oh, I'm supposed to like... Oh yeah. I just ripped its head off. Stick our hands in and grab it all. Okay, I didn't like that feeling. This is really gross. Like, look at this. Look at that. That's just nasty. Nasty. What if pumpkins are like... So, I'm assuming we just stick this back on. Oh. Yeah. Alright, now... That was that. Now we cut our pumpkin. So I like to start with the eyes, but I don't really know what I like to start with because I haven't carved a pumpkin in like 16 years. No, I'm just kidding, more like 10. Aw, damn it. I don't think they're straight. Well, at least they're like me. Not straight. Oh god. Oh god. Whew. This won't work out. Wait. How do I poke it? How do you get this, the fuck? Oh my god, that was hard to pull. Ooh. I like it. Now we're gonna do his nose. You know what, we're gonna take a break. Actually, I got tired. So we're gonna do the rest of this, let's do the best of this kid. So now it says, and something romantic. Crazy Rich Asians, When Harry Met Sally, Brown Sugar. Oh, I'm gonna say Crazy Rich Asians because that shit was my shit. Time to choose a biopic. I'm gonna choose... I've never heard of any of these. Ooh. Now it says, what's your original Netflix fave? What's your favorite Netflix original? So we have Bird Box, To All the Boys I've Loved Before, Roma, and Wine Country. We're gonna do To All the Boys I've Loved Before because I watched that so many times and I never saw Bird Box or the other ones. So what's your go-to movie to watch on a Friday night? Bring it on, duh. Pick an oldie but a goodie. We're gonna do Breakfast at Tiffany's because that's the only one I've seen other than Wizard of Oz, and I like Breakfast at Tiffany's better. Ooh, I got the 90s! To you, there's no greater decade than the 90s. You're still onto these wonderful years, adding TLC songs to your Spotify playlist and wearing bright colored scrunchies. Oh, we love a Visco girl. And I oop. You'd do anything to party like it was in 1999. I fucking love that song. If anyone knows the song 1999, that shit's my shit. Like, Charlie, we stan Charlie in this household. So if you don't stan Charlie in this household, leave. Bye. I don't want to do this anymore. It's tiring. Oh. Damn it! His nose isn't gonna come out straight. God, my arm hurts again. Oh god. He looks really shocked. I love it. Alright guys, we did it. We did it. I carved a pumpkin. I carved him and he looks really surprised. Everyone look at him. Look at him. He looks very surprised. He's like, oh, you scared me because it's Halloween. So we got our thing. It's wet. I don't really know. Alright, so we grab our pumpkin. What the Wait, how does that keep happening? That was weird. So we're just gonna continue. Just gonna act like that didn't happen. So apparently we have to spread it out. So apparently we put it on like this. It's pretty horrible. So we have our face on. Oh, I love face off. We apparently need to follow the lines. Sorry. Oh no! I got a disease! I hate TikTok. This isn't working. It's not working. It's not working like I thought it would. I give up. You know what? That's it. This is my pumpkin. If you don't like it, you can go make your own, since you now know how to carve a pumpkin. I don't know if I really taught you. I think you just watched me carve a pumpkin and literally take a BuzzFeed quiz and then get frustrated. Okay, I give up. I can't carve the other end of this pumpkin. I give up. So if you enjoyed me literally babbling, doing nothing, then give this a like because, you know, I have trash content. So, yeah. Alright, so I just realized I wanted to name my pumpkin, so his name is Robert, and so this is all what me and Robert have for you this week. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're like him, quite shocked. And I hope you have a spooky season and a great Halloween. Why is this oddly intimate? This is weird. I don't know how I feel about this. This is weird. That is all I have for you this time. See you later. Bye.